Thanks for watching this quick tutorial video from DIY Appliance Parts. This is for changing out your blower motor for your HVAC unit. This is the internal motor in your home. This specific motor is a half horse 115 volt 1075 RPM, and we're just going to quickly go through this. You can apply this to a lot of different blower motors, but we're going to use this motor as our example. First things first, whenever you're working on anything, I want you to cut the power to make sure that you're working in a safe environment. So turn off all power going to the unit so that you don't shock yourself and get hurt. Okay. What I want you to notice on this is a couple things. Number one, whenever you put a new blower motor in, or a new condenser fan motor for that matter, always change the capacitor. I don't want an old capacitor with a new motor. The two brown wires on this specific motor are going to be going to your capacitor. It doesn't matter what side they go on, it's non-polarity sensitive as long as one wire goes on one of the poles and the other wire goes on the other pole. You'll set that aside and you'll be dealing with your speeds. Your black and your white speed on almost every blower motor is going to be the high speed, and your low speed will be that red color. If you're confused about the speed situation, just take a quick look at the label and match it up with your existing blower motor's label. If you notice here, we got the two browns that go to the capacitor. We got purple, orange, which are going to be your rotation control. You got black, blue, yellow, and red, which is your speed control, with the neutral as a white, your line voltage, right? So here we go. Your black and your white, you're going to match wire for wire from your old blower motor. The blue is medium high, yellow is medium low. On a lot of older blower motors, these are backwards, where the yellow is medium high and the blue is medium low. If you're going to utilize those speeds, make sure you use the new diagram. So where the blue wire was on the old motor, you'll put the yellow wire. And where the yellow wire was on the old motor, you'll put the blue wire. Your red wire is going to be your low speed. Most blower motors are only using high speed and low speed. Some of them will use those mediums, but most of them are using high and low. When you put your blade on the new blower motor, make sure that you give that blade a spin once you set it on the shaft. I want to make sure that in the housing it's not going to hit any portion of the housing before you actually turn it on. These two wires right here are purple and orange. I quickly talked about rotation control. This is going to be for clockwise or counterclockwise rotation. If you look at your existing motor, it'll tell you what rotation it is. You can control that here, and you simply separate it and either go orange to purple, purple to orange, or you keep them as is. Just like all other blower motors, it does have a grounding strap, so make sure that you use that and put everything back together and turn your power pack on and give it a go. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us here at DIY Appliance Parts. Our number is 951-304-1166. Thanks for watching.